Hi guys, so it's a brand new Sunday and definitely a new vlog wherein I would be showing you something different from my last past few videos. So this time it'll be Inam, which is the name of my RC390. That's another bike that I own. I would start off this vlog by just saying that there are certain modifications that I've done, which I will be showing you in different subsequent videos. But for now, today I will be showing you how to fit Autolog tail, race tail specifically onto the RC390. For that, I will be going to the KTM service center wherein we would fit this race tail. I would also tell you along in the vlog what would be the costs, what are the pros and cons. So watch out for that at the very last of the video. And as usual, if you have anything to say, please do write that in the comment section below and I will reply to each one of you. Welcome to my channel and let's get on with this. Right guys, so this is the tail section that has come from Autolog Design. After a lot of deliberations, I saw this is the cheaper one and this can actually accommodate the stock tail light. So that's one reason for me to get this. You can see that I have got the glossy variant of this and the finishing is pretty nice on this. Not too extravagant but decent for the price is about 7,500, and that's the race seat. You can say it's a piece of foam that they have supplied themselves, so you don't have to scout the market for the seat per se. Let's get this fitted on the bike now. You can see now the seat is opened up. And I'm at KTM sector 63 service station. Neeraj ji, hi bolo.
Hi, sir. Hi.
I can tell you they are pretty amazing. If you book a prior appointment and come. Guys, just see the stance, man. I'm so in love with this motorcycle. Right guys, so by now you must have seen how the race tail looks on the bike. I think it looks absolutely phenomenal. The aesthetics of the bike is really nice on this. I would really thank Autolog Design to for making something like this. But coming to the bad points of the race tail, the first thing I think is I don't feel it's very sturdy. So somebody who has much more weight than me uh, may, I don't know, it may cause some issues in the long run, but I'm not very sure. I would reserve my judgment there though. Maybe some months later I can give you a perspective on that. Moving on, I chose this race tail because it has got integration to the stock LED tail lights. So that's one good thing about the Autolog Design race tail, because other race tails that you normally get from Chennai does not have that integration. It's a proper race fairing race tail. So that's that. Then comes in the finish. The finish, I believe, is it's pretty nice. The glossy finish is really nice. So finish wise, there is no problems. It's made out of plastic fiber, so there is some weight savings, I can tell you, about 1 to 2 kgs. So that's another good part. Except for that, there is one more thing I think, which is a pro for this race tail, is when you are absolutely tucked in, there is a space at the back where you can actually rest your bum, or you can rest your back. So that's a very good addition to the race tail. So that's, I think overall that's about it on this vlog. If you have anything else, please, as usual, just follow the usuals, and we can chat up. I think that's about it. In the next video, something major that is coming up in the next video. I'm really excited. It relates to Inam. That's my RC. So stay tuned. I think you'll really enjoy the next vlog as well. Thank you. Cheers.